Party Rentals, Southington, Connecticut. When planning an event in Southington, Connecticut, Meriden Party Rentals LLC is your go-to source for all your party rental needs. Whether you're organizing a birthday celebration, a wedding, a corporate event, or any special gathering, we offer a wide variety of high-quality rentals to ensure your event is a resounding success. Our extensive equipment includes an array of inflatable bounce houses and water slides that provide endless fun for guests of all ages. For those looking to create a comfortable and inviting atmosphere, we offer an assortment of tents, tables, and chairs available in various sizes and styles to suit your event's requirements. Whether you need elegant seating for a wedding reception or casual tables for a backyard barbecue, we have you covered. Our selection of accessories, including lighting and decor, we can help you transform any space into a memorable venue. From elegant table settings to festive decorations, our offerings can enhance the ambience and create a cohesive look that reflects your event's theme. Our experienced team is dedicated to helping you choose the right equipment and ensuring everything runs smoothly on your special day. For inquiries or to book your rentals today, call us at 203-907-9846. Let us help you create an unforgettable event in Southington, Connecticut.